In this video, I will show you the difference between TurboTax and H&R Block and which one should you choose. So we have in here a comparison table of those two. So we have in here TurboTax, and speaking of ease of use, TurboTax is intuitive and user-friendly, and H&R Block is simple but slightly less interactive. For the pricing, TurboTax is more expensive for premium features, while H&R Block is more affordable with similar features. So for the TurboTax and about the free filing, they are actually limited to simple tax returns only, while H&R Block has more forms covered in free tier. So for the live support, TurboTax has paid access to tax professionals, while H&R Block has free in-office appointments plus paid online support. For the audit support, TurboTax has basic guidance and paid upgrade for expert help, and H&R Block has free audit assistance with paid options for full support, so they are just the same on this part. The TurboTax is best for those who want premium features and expert help, while H&R Block is for budget-conscious filers who prefer in-person options. So just choose which one of you in this two and just choose which software is the best one for you.